Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a SEO plugin. So basically what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. With the help of SEO you will be able to rank your website, your blog, your article on the Google, right? Without doing SEO you will be not able to rank on Google. This is the one of the main aspect on the basis of which Google judge your website and put your website on the top listing of Google, right? So basically to do SEO you need some kind of certain plugins, some certain strategies and all, right? So manage your SEO, managing your SEO is one of the main aspect, and to manage your SEO you need to have a plugin, and one of the famous and one of the best plugin out there is Yoast SEO. So today we are going to talk about Yoast SEO. So basically Yoast SEO helps you to improve your on-page SEO, helps you to get a sitemap and everything and all that, right? So basically it will cost you around $89 for the premium Yoast Premium SEO. We already have like free Yoast also available on the website. Let me show you how you can download the free version. You just need to come to a dashboard, and on the left hand side you will see a plugin. We have to add new, and here you can see there will be multiple free plugins which has been already provided by WordPress. Here you can search SEO Yoast and you will see the free plugin is available here also. But today in today's video we are going to talk about the premium version of this plugin, because free version is okay, but the help of premium version you can do anything, right? So that would be totally beneficial for us. So as you can see, the license key here is for $89 for 1 year for one website, which is totally high price. And if you're starting out and you don't have that much money to invest, I personally don't suggest you to get for $89. I rather suggest you to go for a GPL version. Like, both of the authors and developers are the same, the version and the plugin are the same. The only difference between GPL and this is GPL and GPL version does not include updates, regular updates. These original authors provide you updates for like 1 year. These are providing, here you can see, including 1 year free updates and support. These are providing high money and expensiveness because they are asking money for their support and update. So we will just install our Yoast Premium GPL version from our website. You just have to come to this website and click on download now, and download will start automatically within couple of minutes. As you can see, it's of 4 MB. We will just wait for it, and our next step is to install this plugin on our WordPress website, which is super simple. If you don't know, let me guide you how you can do that. You just have to come to your website. Let me show you. Here is your website. You have to log into your dashboard. Let me show you how you can log in. This is your website. You just have to type WP admin and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Here you just have to, on the left hand side you will see multiple sections. On there you have to click on plugins, add new. So here we will add new. As you can see, WordPress provide a lot of free plugins as well, but the thing is there are multiple functionalities and feature which come only in premium plugin, right? So I will try to upload this plugin which we have downloaded it. Let me see if it is here. Yoast, I had downloaded it here. Yoast, so here it is, Yoast Premium plugin. Let me install it and let's wait. It's installed, and now we have to activate it. Super simple activation, nothing much of a hassle, right? And hold on. So as you can see, it has been activated successfully. So now let me show you what exactly we will get if we are using this. On the settings, let's see the setting of this Yoast Premium. To be honest, everything is similar to the Yoast, but the thing is the features has been extended. You don't get these much of features when you are installing the free version of Yoast SEO, right? So here the best part about it, with the help of Yoast SEO you can easily make the site map of your website. Let me show you here. After right now we don't have that much of content on our website, so that's why we are not having sitemap. And to run Yoast Premium you just also have to install and activate your free version Yoast. Let me activate that as well, so that we can see that both the Yoast Premium SEO are working properly. And if you come here and see the general settings, now you will be able to install and check your sitemap. Right now we are not able to see the sitemap because we are hosted on the local host. That is not a problem. So I hope you really get my point, that how you can get the Yoast Premium for a really affordable price. And you see, and you, if you think that this plugin is really worth it for you, you can just go to the official website and buy it for $90 or something like that. And if you don't have that much of budget to invest in $90 for a plugin, you can just come and buy the GPL theme also, GPL plugin also. And if you don't like it, you always get a 7 days money back guarantee, which is the best part about it. And by chance, if Yoast provides some new updates, you can request updates as well here. So I will wrap this video up by saying that if you are also running a WordPress agency, you can just come to our website and grab our membership, because with the help of membership plan, we will be able to provide you much more beneficial things which you don't expect directly from any other providers. Let me explain you how. With the lifetime access membership plan, you will be able to download more than 5,400 items per year, which is insane, right? Because this website consists of total more than 6,000 WordPress plugin and themes, which is totally a big deal, right? And if you don't have that much money to invest in the initial stage, I would rather suggest you to go for $29 plan, which is also great. That will make the work done. With the help of this plan, you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is good according to me, good. So I will try to wrap this video up by saying, if you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.